everyone, welcome back to the BakeDeco channel. Today we're going to be showing you how you can design a chocolate buttercream tree stump cake. You want to make sure you have two shades of brown buttercream, a lighter shade for the top and a darker shade for the sides of the tree trunk. So we're going to start off with our light brown buttercream. And we are just going to go ahead and ice the top, and then we're going to flatten it out with a cake cone. You want to make sure you're using a cake cone that has teeth, and this is going to create some texture for the top of your stump. Go ahead and remove excess icing from the sides. And now we're going to decorate the sides of our cake with a dark brown buttercream. We're using an open star tip. This is the Atico 824. And we want to start from the bottom, and you'll just pull up until you reach the top. And then we're just going to repeat that. And you want to leave a space in between, and we're going to go ahead and fill it back in. So you can do some different lines. You want some to be straight, some to be crooked, and this is going to give it a wood-like effect. We're going to go back around and fill in some of these gaps with a swirl. Now we're just going to go ahead and fill in the rest of these gaps with straight lines. To top this cake, I'm going to be using handmade pine cones. If you want to learn how to make these, check out the link in the description below. And we're just going to place these right along the top of the cake. You can scatter them however you like. I'm going to place them on the side. I'm going to place one down. I'm also going to place one right here at the bottom of the cake on the cake board. Next, we're going to add a few of our Holly Mini Poinsettias. These are great for the holidays. To finish up our look, we're going to add our Eau Creme gum paste, large holly. We're going to dust this off with just a little bit of powdered sugar. Get a little bit of a snow effect. And that completes the look of today's cake design. Don't forget to like and subscribe to BakeDeco for more tutorials like this.